Yes, in this article I am going to discuss about the supervised machine learning. And supervised learning is a types of a machine learning in which machines are trained using the well-labeled training data, and on the basis of that data machines predict the output. The label data means some input data is already tagged with the correct output. In the supervised learning, the training data provided to the machine works as a supervisor that teaches the machine to predict the output correctly. It applies the same concept as a student learns in a supervision of a teacher. Supervised learning is a process of providing input data as well as correct output data to the machine learning model. The aim of the supervised learning algorithm is to find the mapping function to map the input variable x with the output variable y. In the real world, supervised learning can be used for the risk management, image classification, fraud detection, and spam filtering, etc. And let us see how it works. Models are trained using the label data set where the models learn about each type of data. Once the training process is completed, the model is tested on the basis of the test data. The working of the supervised learning can be easily understood by the below example and the diagram. So let us discuss here. We have the labeled data and the labels with the correct input, and we have the various set of data set where the various labels are put into it. Now we are giving to one model training where with the correct label the data set is compared and it is tested for the correct output, and thus it keep on learning with the comparison. And suppose we have a different data sets of the different types of the shapes, which includes the square, rectangle, triangle, and polygon. Now the first step, we need to train the model for each shape. So we have to train the triangle shape. It is a triangle. So if the given shape of the four sides and all the sides are equal, then it is labeled as square. And in case of triangle, if it is given the shape has three sides, then it is labeled to as triangle. In the for the hexagon, if the given shape has 6 equal sides, then it is called as hexagon. Now after training, we test a model using the test data, and the task of the model is to identify the shape. So it has to compare to each set in the data set, and it has to provide an output. The machine is already trained on all the types of shapes, and when it finds a new shape, it classifies the shape on the basis of the number of shapes and predicts the output. And this is the working and basic concept of a supervision learning. Thank you.